Hey guys, so I'm unboxing this Goki Vital fitness band with 3 months of subscription. It comes for 3499 and you may get offers. The launch offer was 1999, which got exhausted within few hours, 6 hours or so. So so the MRP is 3499. Typically you will get it for 3149 on Amazon. So this is the band, this is the box. It comes with 1 year warranty. Typically a Goki core which comes inside this box, it has a lifetime warranty. So till the time you are a subscriber to their paid services of fitness coaches or nutritionists, you will actually get the warranty on the band, core, etc. So this one is the first one which says 1 year warranty. Otherwise the rest of the bands, they didn't have any warranty coverage because they were giving lifetime warranty as long as you were an active subscriber. So maybe they are changing their modus operandi, Goki. So Goki, just to give you a background, they are the only company which I know which gives karma rewards. So karma rewards, you can convert them into cash to be donated for good causes. So karma rewards are earned when you do workout. So the more you work out, the more karma rewards you earn, and then eventually the company Goki will actually give cash for different causes on behalf of you, which is quite a noble cause. And the other thing is the live coaching. As you can see here, 3 months of live coaching is included in this band. So you get 3, 6 or 12 months of coaching. So in that coaching you actually interact with live coaches. So you get one coach assigned and aligned to you, and they will actually help you meet your fitness and health goals, which is quite unique. I am not aware of any other fitness band which actually offers these kind of features, particularly karma rewards as well as live coaching. So I'm going to unbox it. So this is a sticker I have to remove. Give me a moment. Okay, I'll just cut it from here because it's difficult to remove it. Okay, so I have removed the seal. So this is the first time I'm opening this. This is a brand new band. So the main features of this band is that it's colored as well as waterproof. They don't specify IP rating, but I'm guessing that it might be IP67 rated. So it has heart rate sensor like the V3 band. But I think this one is quite unique in design, so which has its own pros and cons as per me. So it basically opens up from mid, so both the ends from the strap gets opened up. I'm having a little bit of trouble removing it. Okay, so this is the band. So this is the band. So you get live coaching with it. So this is the activation card for it, and of course this is the 3 months activation card, and how to remove Goki Gold. So this is what I was talking about. So the core, which is the actual fitness tracker in between, is actually stuck. Basically it gets affixed into the band from both the ends. So it's possible, I haven't really tested, so I'll have to basically try it and review it and see how reliable and durable it is, because the earlier bands, they had a physical band. So basically you insert the core in between here, and so they were protected from all the 4 sides, and the heart rate sensor had a hole here, and V1 and V2 version of these bands had no holes here, so it was protected. So it was basically, it had live protection on the jacket. So, and there was no way you could have actually, pulled the straps. But here you actually are able to pull the strap from both the ends. So we'll have to see how reliable it is, because it's possible that you accidentally get it pulled, especially in a sports event or during some fitness activity. So we'll have to see how reliable it is, because this thing should be firm. So let me try to pull it from one end. So yeah, I think it is quite firmly placed, so it's very difficult for me to pull it. So I think one of the ends, probably this one, will have a USB port, a normal sized USB port, which you can use. So basically you can just insert this band into any available USB, standard USB type A slot, so a typical USB port. So that is also quite unique on Goki, because the other fitness bands from Fitbit or MI or any other companies I know, typically they don't come with inbuilt USB ports. You have a USB port here, so I think I'll have to use both my hands to remove it. So I think it is quite firm, at least in the beginning. So hopefully it remains firm for its life, because otherwise it will become quite unreliable, because both the ends you can actually remove the core. So yeah, so this is the band. I don't think you get anything else with it, so it's just a box, and I think you will get some leaflet inside. Okay, nothing is there. So you are supposed to get some user manual or something, so I don't think there's anything. Yep, so I think this is just a box, just a foam material. So the only leaflet, okay, this is the leaflet which you get, how to measure blood pressure, etc. Hopefully this also measures oxygen level and stress levels, because the earlier heart rate band, it was quite disappointing that it was quite inaccurate, and as well as it only measured heart rates. So contrary to what you can get on, like typically the sensors what you get on Samsung phones, you can actually measure heart rates in addition to blood pressure. Actually not blood pressure, but at least oxygen level and stress levels. So this one measures blood pressure and heart rate, but hopefully it can measure oxygen level, stress level, etc. So at least in the with a future firmware upgrade or through a software upgrade. So yeah, so this is the band. So I think this is what you get. So you measure the blood pressure, and you get access to the Goki application, which has a health store. So you can buy health food, health drinks, etc., as well as other fitness activities. You can get additional bands of this one. You can purchase additional core, a complete kit, a core for your family member, so you can get enrolled to a family plan. So there are many features which Goki offers. So many things to discuss. So I'll post a detailed review after some initial reviewing this for about a week or so, and then I'll post a follow-up video to this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.